welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make Chinese barbecue seasoning. For ingredients, let's check down below. So here, I have my protein or choice of meat, which is pork. You can use chicken, beef, or lamb as your choice of meat. So I'm gonna make two types of seasoning. The first one is gonna be chili powder seasoning, and then the second one is gonna be cumin seasoning. So the ingredients for the first one, you need Sichuan peppercorn, chili powder, MSG, salt, white pepper, cumin, and garlic powder. Second one, which is cumin seasoning, you will need chili powder, salt, sesame seed, cumin, MSG, and fennel. Chili powder seasoning, you need 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorn. You want to grind this first. I'm going to grind it with 1 teaspoon MSG. When it's done, transfer it to a mixing bowl. You need 6 teaspoons of chili powder. You can substitute the chili powder with cayenne pepper if you can't find the chili powder. Next is going to be 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and half teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix it. And the chili powder seasoning is done. Now we're gonna move to the cumin seasoning. For cumin seasoning, you need 2 teaspoons fennel, 5 teaspoons sesame seed, I'm gonna grind all of this with 1 teaspoon of MSG. If you see here, when you crush the sesame seed, usually they're gonna release the oil. That's why it's gonna be like a little bit wet like this, which is completely normal. Now everything is done. You wanna put it on a mixing bowl. Now you can add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons chili powder, and then 10 teaspoons of cumin. Now mix it. So now you have 2 seasoning. This one is going to be cumin based seasoning, and this one is going to be chili powder based seasoning. Now for the meat, you want to cut about square, pretty thick. If you use the bamboo skewer, please soak the skewer about 10 minutes in the water before you actually grill it. But since I'm using the metal skewer, you don't have to do that. So just put it in the skewer. The skewer is done. Now we're gonna grill it. So for today's video, I'm gonna use my electric grilling. If you use the outdoor grill or just regular barbecue grill, make sure you want to set your temperature to 500 Fahrenheit before you actually cook it, because if it's not going to char and it's going to make your meat super dry. If you have the one like me, which is the electronic one, I'm going to put it or preheat it on the maximum setting or high heat. So I'm going to spray this with a little bit of oil. When your grill is hot, just put it on the grill. I'm going to sprinkle it right now. Just be generous with your seasoning. You want to cook this like pretty much until it's done. It'll probably take between 6 to 7 minutes. Each minute I'm going to flip it and I'm going to keep sprinkling it with the seasoning. Now we're gonna cook the cumin base, cumin seasoning. So it's the same thing with previously before. So just, you know, each minute you wanna flip it and you wanna sprinkle it. Alright guys, so this is the final product. So we have the cumin seasoning and then the chili powder seasoning. Give it a try, it's really delicious. So that's it for our today's video. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.